Hello, in front of me I've got EMPORIA Smart 5. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Files app, located in the app drawer. As you can see, we can enter File Manager provided by EMPORIA and files provided by Google. I personally recommend Files by Google because it has a lot more functions. For example, you can use nearby share to send and receive files. Then you can enter your internal storage or check internal storage divided on categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others and apps. Also you can calculate the storage and enter your collections. Next you can clean the junk files from your smartphone. And in the end you've got access to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.